Hello. So today we're going to do trappe van vergelijking. Every single test and exam has a trap van vergelijking question in some way or more than one. So let's see how they ask it. They could ask it in a sentence. They would ask it in a sentence often. Or they could ask for a specific degree of comparison. So they could say, gee die vergrotende trap van hoog. Or gee die oortreffende trap van laag. Or die stellende trap van langer. So you have to know what the terminology of the different steps or degrees. So let's learn them now. So you've got groot, groter, die grootste. So what are these steps called? Stellende, die stellende trap, die vergrotende trap, en die oortreffende trap. So how are you going to remember that? Here is your memory hook. Vergrotende, if you think of groot, groter, die grootste, it only works with that one. So grotende, there's the grote and grote is in both. And what about the oortreffende? You've got the oor in both as well. So that's your memory hook. So say it, stellende, vergrotende, oortreffende. Okay. So what are the clues? How do you know when to use stellende, when to use vergrotende? Usually they ask for vergrotende of oortreffende. So you need clues. What is the Afrikaans for clues, by the way? It's leidrade. Now look how cool Afrikaans is. Lei means leading, and a draad is a thread or wire. So it's the wire or the thread leading you to the antwoord, the answer. Okay, so let's look at the clues for die vergrotende trap. Here they are, one by one. If you want to, you can make notes, or you can watch this again if you forget. So who, two who's. So it's like the bigger, the better. So then you'll have to use bigger, not big, not biggest. Right? So that is who. Us, than. He is taller than. Taller. You see, that's a vergrotende. 'n bietjie. Hy is 'n bietjie langer as sy broer. En selfs nog, ek het baie kos, maar jy het selfs nog meer. You see, that's the vergrotende trap. It can be selfs, nog, or it can just be nog. Okay? So those are your clues. Who, us, 'n bietjie, of selfs nog. Okay? Let's go on. Examples. Hoe erger die honger, hoe groter die appetite. Remember who? The worse the hunger, the bigger the appetite. The worse the hunger, the bigger the appetite. See, you're going to use the vergrotende trap for each one. My roomhuis is groter as joune. Do you see the as there? So there's the as clue, and there's the who clue. Let's look at some other clues that we dealt with. 'n bietjie. Kevin is 'n bietjie langer as Jonathan. Vergrotende trap. Die All Blacks is 'n goeie span, maar die Springbokke is nog beter. Nog. You see the nog? So this goeie, just be careful, this goeie is not a trappe van vergelijking, but it is 'n byvoeglike naamwoord. So from goed, you have to do goeie. So they could ask, gee die korrekte vorm van die woord tussen hakies. Give the correct form of the word between brackets. So then it's not necessarily a degree of comparison. It could just be the adjective that changes because it's just before the noun it describes. Remember, the adjectives can change if they are written before or said before the noun it describes. So there's the noun it describes, and this adjective is before it. We don't have that in English. We say it's a good team, or the team is good. Either way, it's the same. But in Afrikaans, die span is goed, die goeie span. I think you know that already. What are the clues for oortreffende trap? That's an easy one. Die It's just one clue, D. Okay, so if you see D just before the word you have to change, or the degree of comparison. Not anywhere in the subject, anywhere in the sentence. If it's just before the word. Like for instance here, Kilimanjaro is D and then hoog. You see the D is right before the word that you need to change. And then it's die hoogste. And there's your clue. Okay? There's your clue. That is for oortreffende trap. So let's do a few examples. Mooi, mooier, and remember, oortreffende trap always has die in it. Die mooiste. Baie, meer, die meeste. Goed, beter, die beste. Remember, beter only has one T, and this is beste, it's not beeste. Beeste are cattle. Please don't get them confused. So there you have hoog, hoër, die hoogste. Please don't forget the deelteken there. If you do, it's a bad word. Right, so let's look at this one. Hoe laat jy by die klas aankom, hoe baie strafwerk gaan jy kry. Now I'm not going to translate that now. Just look for your clues. Can you see the clues? Yes. Who and who are the clues. Can you see the clue? Nou dat ek in graad 7 is, kry ek meer huiswerk as wat ek in graad 6 gekry het. As is your clue. Now that I'm in grade 7, I get more homework than what I got in grade 6. Then is your as. Right, in graad 10 kry mens baie huiswerk as in graad 7. That's not right. So what is that going to be? What is your clue? Maar in graad 12 kry mens die baie huiswerk. So what are you going to fill in? Think about it. In graad 10 kry mens meer huiswerk as in graad 7, maar in graad 12 kry mens die meeste huiswerk. What were your clues? Did you spot them? As and die. So that one was as, which we give you a vergrotende, and die just before your word is your oortreffende. Okay, so hopefully you are ready to have your turn, jou beurt. So I want you to feel proud about yourself and proud of yourself, so you're worth it, eh? So do the work. Here's the assessment. It's not a long assessment. I never give long assessments. So you're going to just write trappe van vergelyking in your Afrikaans success book on top, and it's just going to be 7, and it's going to be one-word answers. Don't bother writing the whole sentence out. One-word answers. Just write that, your heading, from 1 to 7, then you're ready for your assessment. Okay? And then here is the assessment. So what you're going to do is you're going to pause your video now on your device. My red button doesn't work, okay, for pausing. You're going to pause your video, and then you're going to do the work, and I am going to give the answers now. So pause. My punte was beter as verlede kwartaal. David het die beste punte in die klas gekry. Stellende trap van vroeër, vroeg. Oortreffende trap van skoon, die skoonste. Hoe, remember, hoe laer my punte is, hoe meer is die moeilikheid waarin ek is. In graad 8 gaan ek hoërskool toe. Hoërskool, don't forget the deelteken on the E. Okay, how did you do? Did you get them right? I hope so. If not, please go back, rewind. You don't have to embarrass yourself and say, man, I got 2 out of 7. No. You just go back, do it again until you understand. Okay? Right. And if you benefited from this video, tell a friend about afrikaanssucces.co.za. Totsiens!